This modern examination hall at the Royal Oman Police Licensing Department hosts fully digital driving theory tests. Today, Salem and Mohammed arrive to take their computer-based theory exam in this modern hall. Each candidate checks in at a digital screen, entering their ID number and full name before starting. Rows of computers and tablets display the official driving test interface, clearly in English, with 60 questions in each exam. If a candidate answers 40 questions correctly with 0 mistakes, the system ends the exam automatically and displays the word "Passed." If a candidate makes too many mistakes early, the test also ends automatically and the screen displays the word "Failed." Around the hall, clear traffic signs such as yield, stop, roundabout, no parking, and speed limits remind candidates of the rules, with no Arabic text anywhere. Salem sits at a large screen, and Mohammed uses a tablet, both waiting on the start test screen to begin their modern digital theory exam. Both candidates tap the Start Test button, and the system begins presenting 60 multiple-choice questions in English. On Salem's large screen, each English question appears with clear multiple-choice options, and he answers confidently as the progress bar advances without mistakes. On Mohammed's tablet, the same modern interface highlights some of his early mistakes in red, while his progress bar moves forward more slowly. When Salem reaches 40 correct answers with 0 mistakes, the system ends his exam automatically and displays the message, "Congratulations, you passed." On Mohammed's tablet, too many mistakes trigger an early automatic end, and the screen shows, "Test ended automatically. Please try again," as the modern digital examination hall comes back into full view.